Welcome to MEMIDOS. My name is Yuji, and in this video I will explain how to set up shipping rates for your company on MEMIDOS. Shipping rates are set per country, and for each country you have 15 shipping classes. The shipping classes 1 to 10 are used for weight intervals from 0 to 50 kilograms. Shipping classes 11 to 15 are shipping classes that can be used for heavier items. An example can be a company that is shipping items via half pallets and pallets. They might choose to have shipping class 11 for half pallets, shipping class 12 for pallets up to 150 kilograms, and class 13 for pallets heavier than 150 kilograms. This is just an example. The point is that shipping class 11 to 15 can be used for products that does not fit into the standard weight intervals you find in shipping classes 1 to 10. If you are using many shipping classes, it can be a good idea to enter your shipping rates into a spreadsheet like I have done in this example to maintain a good overview. Go to the Store Manager and click on Settings. After that, click on Shipping and tick Enable Shipping On. Choose a processing time. A processing time is how long it takes you to send the product for delivery, counted from the time you got the order. This is your general processing time. You are also able to set the processing time per product when you are setting up your products. Next, you choose Shipping by Zone as the shipping type. For each country, you click Edit one by one. It takes you to this page. You click on Add Shipping Method. Here we can choose between flat rate, local pickup, and free shipping. To set up our shipping rates, we will choose flat rate and press Add Shipping Method. Then you click on Edit right here. Here you fill out all the boxes with the required information. We suggest to always keep the cost on 0 to keep things simple. The tax status has to be set to taxable. There is no need to change the description. After this, you just need to fill out shipping class boxes based on your own shipping rates. If you just enter an amount for the shipping class, for example 10, then the customer will be invoiced 10 euros. It doesn't matter if they are buying one or more of a product with this shipping class. If you type 10 times QTY, which stands for quantity, the shipping price will be multiplied with the number of items ordered. You can read more about different ways of setting shipping prices in the knowledge base. However, we encourage you to keep it simple. The No Shipping Class Cost box can be left empty. Lastly, you will have to choose the calculation tab. This setting tells how to calculate the total shipping costs if a customer is buying more than one type of a product on the same order. The options are per class or per order. If you wanted to only invoice the most expensive shipping class, you choose per order. If you wanted to invoice all shipping classes, you choose the option per class. Under shipping method, you can also add a free shipping threshold. This means that above the price limit of your choosing, you provide free delivery. You set this up by clicking on Add Shipping Method and clicking on it again. In this window, you click on Edit, and here you can choose the minimum order price for free shipping. This amount has to be excluding the VAT. If you wish to add local pickup, click on Shipping Method and choose Local Pickup in the drop-down menu. The process after is the same as it was with the free shipping. We always require freight rates. It is not allowed to only offer local pickup. Now you just have to repeat the process with each country. Keep saving your changes as often as you can. That is how easy it is to set up shipping rates. If you don't want to miss out on any news about MEMIDOS, make sure you follow us on social media. You can find us on the following tags. Thank you for watching.